At first you might think, 1 second? That's nothing. I mean, it takes longer to find the right emoji in a text message. But we're talking about the sun here. The giant, nuclear-powered death orb in the sky that we depend on for everything. First of all, if the sun actually blinked off for 1 second, you not notice it. For 8 minutes. So when it goes off at 12:00, we only see it go dark at 12:08, and the light returns at 12:081. You would live in a world where the sun flickers every 8 minutes like a giant strobe light in the sky. You might expect temperatures to drop immediately. They won't. Earth's a thermal sponge. 1 second of darkness won't make us freeze. Your toaster probably loses more heat in a second than the planet would. But here's the catch. It's 1 second every minute. Forever. That's 24 minutes of total darkness per day. Like the sun is taking micro coffee breaks. Plants would freak out. Photosynthesis is like a conveyor belt. Even a second off interrupts everything. Wind spirals upward into the sky. A person holds onto a streetlight at an angle. Clouds above look stretched and swirled. Solar-powered clocks would reset. GPS glitches. And your smartwatch? At T, just give up and show a shrug emoji. Turning the sun on and off like a switch isn't just weird, it breaks physics. You can't pause fusion every minute. To make that happen, you'd have to break quantum fields, thermodynamics, and time itself. No big deal. If that were real, you wouldn't live in a solar system. You'd live inside a horror movie directed by a broken light bulb. Eventually, the atmosphere would ripple from constant energy pulses. Weather forecasts? Just a screaming question mark. Even if we survived the light show, plants might not. Crops would fail, ecosystems stumble, and food chains glitch. Animals? Totally confused. Insects buzzing in circles. Nocturnal creatures show up at lunch. Owls wearing sunglasses. Astronomers crying. Telescopes out of sync. Solar scientists holding broken models. One guy just flipping a coin. And then there's humanity, watching TikToks glitch under flickering sunlight. Truly, the end of civilization. It wouldn't kill us right away. But a world with a glitching sun? That's a long, slow ticket to madness. Every shadow would twitch. Every room would blink. Every second, you'd ask, was that the sun? Or just me? You'd stop trusting light, or clocks, or your own senses. Maybe the flicker was never in the sky. Maybe it's in your head. So if someone ever builds a cosmic sun switch, maybe don't press it. Even if it's labeled just for 1 second, turns out 1 second is enough to break ecosystems, tech, weather, and your brain. Thanks for not blinking, sun. If you enjoyed that, go subscribe. If you didn't, blame physics.